It's product review time because I found something that is extremely delicious and extremely healthy, and it's something that typically isn't. That would be a bag of chips. Orgasmicpathways.com is my website. Go there, choose your pathways. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Orgasmicpathways.com. So this particular brand, Siete, Siete, you've got the label. It looks very attractive like most do, but if you've been following me for any length of time, you know don't go based on the nutrition labels or the packaging or any of that stuff, because at very best, a lot of times it's extremely misleading, if not just outright lying. But this is actually the real deal. So what really matters here is going to be the ingredients list, which is typically right around the nutrition label. So we saw the pretty packaging on front. Here's the nutrition label. A lot of people know to look at, but it's the ingredients. Here they are. So the ingredients I will read to you. This is the most important part. Cassava flour is the first ingredient, so that's going to be the one that dominates it the most. The ingredients are always listed in order by quantity. Cassava flour, that comes from cactus, and that's blood sugar friendly. So instead of like potato flour or something starchy, got cactus. Avocado oil is the second ingredient. So the avocado oil is, if you're getting something that's been heated, like chips are typically baked or fried, do not get something that has olive oil in it. Even though olive oil is healthy, when it's heated, it turns toxic. Avocado oil has a high flash point, so if something is baked or fried, then avocado oil is going to be preferred, or grapeseed oil, or coconut oil. They all have higher flash points, so that's important. The third ingredient is pumpkin powder, a lot of trace minerals there, coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, sea salt, and contains coconuts. Okay, cool. So when I look at the ingredients list, remember they're in order of quantity. Well, the second one is avocado oil. So even though it's healthy and it's a high flash point, it's an oil. If you get any oil, go very low. But this is the second ingredient. So that was like, So now I look at the nutrition label right above that to see how much. So total fat, 6 grams. It's not, great, but it's okay. There's a typical bag of chips has a lot more based on a 2,000 calorie a day diet. So that's only 8%. And it's going to be saturated. It's going to be healthier fats, very low amount of saturated, much higher amount of unsaturated to monounsaturated fats, which are the healthier fats because it's coming from plants and not dairy and so on. So that's okay. That's actually a pretty low amount of oil. And then pumpkin powder, coconut, psyllium husk powder. Sea salt is dead last. So I look at the sodium content, 120 milligrams. It's only 5% of your total daily allowance. Typically, I don't add salt to things. This has obviously got a small amount of salt added, but it's nothing I'm going to lose sleep over. It's pretty low quantity. If you look at a normal bag of chips, the fat content and the sodium content is going to be much higher, and the fat content is going to be more of the unhealthy fats. It'll be more of the saturated fats or transformed fats sometimes, which is the absolute worst, and not so much mono and polyunsaturated fats, which are the healthier fats. So with all the nuance and everything that goes into this, overall, in summation, I think this is a very healthy option if you want to get some chips, something to snack on like this. Healthy chips that taste good, extremely difficult to find. Also, there's no grains in this particular one. So if you have celiac or some kind of sensitivity to grains, then this could be beneficial towards you as well. This label right here is a good one to look for. There are certain criteria that have to be met to be able to put that on there, the Project GMO-free verified. And that just means there's no genetically modified organisms in this product. So that's really cool. And it's also certified gluten-free. So that's another label on there that's particularly important to people with those sensitivities. So there you have it. Highly recommend it. And I've already finished the bag, otherwise I'd try one for you, but I think you know what it looks like to watch someone eating a bag of chips, so I won't do that. Feel free to share this. Orgasmicpathways.com. Go there, choose your pathways, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps me out a ton. It really does. If you got value from this, you don't have to pay for anything, but I will still earn financial commission without charging you anything because of the model that YouTube has, so long as I'm getting subscribers and some engagement and some activity on my YouTube. So please subscribe. And I appreciate it very much. Bye for now.